Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be about the August favorites. So this is a particular series that I have started, which I'll be doing at the end of the month to tell you guys that which are the products I have been loving for the rest of the month. So yes, let's get started. So first up, we'll be starting with with hair care actually. So I've been loving this anti-dandruff Himalaya Herbals anti-dandruff shampoo. I've been loving this a lot. Like, it's really great, plus it's moisturizing. It does not make your hair look like all dry and frizzy. It's really nice. I really like it. But although I cannot give up on the TRESemmé Hair Spa Rejuvenation shampoo, so I use it for every alternate hair wash. So yes, what I feel about this product is that this product has made my dandruff go away, literally go away within a single wash. Like, I have seen the anti-dandruff results within a single wash. So I highly recommend this shampoo for people who have dandruff issues. So yes, next up is let's talk about the body care now. So I have been loving this Fiamma Devils Gel Bar Double Moisturizer Care for Dry Skin Gel Bar. Like, this is a soap sort of thing. It's really nice. I used to use Fiamma Devils before, but this is a variant that they're launched now. So I really like this. I have already used 2 of them, and plus it's great for monsoons because it does not make your skin like dry. It keeps your skin hydrated for a long time, and plus it has a double moisturizer, so it does not make your skin look like just dry off and just feel stretched and everything. So I really like this bar and I highly recommend this too, and it's really nice. I've been using this for a month now and I really like this soap. Next up, what I like is I like this Blue Oriental Gin Scrub. So this is a body and hand and foot scrub. So this is what it looks like. I ordered this online, I guess, and it's really nice and I really love it. I've already finished this tube and I got 2 tubes, so I have already finished this tube, and this is a really nice scrub. So it's like, it just makes your skin so soft and so smooth and just so clean after using this. I really love this scrub and it's really nice. So this had to be in my August favorites. Next up, what I like is I like this Himalaya Herbals Aloe and Cucumber Refreshing Body Lotion. This is what it looks like. This is a small variant and you get a big variant also. So I just got this because I wanted to try this lotion out, because in monsoons I do not like applying moisturizers on my skin because it really feels so irritating and it just feels so irritating. So I got this because it was just a refreshing body lotion. So I got this and I really like this even in monsoons, because this does not make my skin just sticky or anything of that sort. It just gets absorbed into the skin and makes my skin feel refreshed. As it says, it's refreshing. Yes, it does make my skin feel refreshing. And yes, I really like this. I'm gonna get a bigger variant in this because it's really nice. Next up, we should jump into skincare, like my face now. So what I like to do is, in monsoons, I really do not like a bunch of heavy moisturizer or even light moisturizers, because it makes my skin just feel so sticky and I feel so irritated when I apply moisturizer in monsoon. So aloe vera gel comes to the rescue. As you can see, this is all over right now. This is a small variant again because I did not get the bigger variant. So I use this. This moisturizes my skin as well as does not make my skin feel sticky or irritating or anything of that sort. I can just apply this and move out of the house and just roam all day and my skin won't feel sticky after that. Just remember, you have to take a little bit of it, not a huge amount of it, for applying on the face. You have to take a small amount of it to apply on the face, then it won't feel sticky. It would just absorb into the skin and won't let your skin dry. And plus, it is a good sunscreen. Next up is this EOS lip balm. I've been loving this. This does not make a big fat layer even after applying layers and layers of lip balm, and it's really nice. So I'm really loving this lip balm. I'm in the variant raspberry, I guess. It's really nice and I really love this lip balm. It does not just make a thick layer over your lip balm. It's just so wearable. Like, it's so lightweight on your lips. I really love this. Yes, next up is this Maybelline Colossal liner. It's really nice liner as it is a waterproof liner, so it's best for monsoon. I've been loving this liner and I've been obsessed with this liner now. So yes, this had to be in my August favorites. And for lips, the last product of my August favorites, and this has to be my favorite because this is a lipstick. This is lipstick that I've been obsessed with currently. This is Makeup Revolution lipsticks, like their matte range. So I'm in the shade Beloved. So I'll just show you the color. This is the color that I am in. This is such a beautiful color. Like currently I'm obsessed with it. I just use this every day, like every single day I've been using this because it's so nice and it's so lightweight, plus it's matte. It stays on your lips for a long time. So, and plus the color, I really like the color, so I'm obsessed with this lipstick currently. So yes, with this product I come to the end of this video. So if you did like this video and if you want me to do more such videos like every month, if you want this series to continue, comment below. And if you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Till next time, bye.